gotta wonder what's wrong with that hive that they're leaving.
Yeah, nothing.
Oh.
It's time of the year to swarm.
Should there be another queen in there?
Well, queen cells in the parent colony.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Should there be?
Yeah. Usually when they leave, they've just capped the queen, first couple of queen cells, and that's when they leave. Anyway, guys, we've already caught the queen. That's why you got bees on the ground, because I scraped some off, and there she was right on the frame I scraped them off onto. But as you can see, we've already got the marching going. Mama's in the cage. It's just a matter of time. Then we'll go through the parent colony, see what we got going on in there. Oh, by the way, there's Lois. Look at that, shorts and all, same here. Turn it upside down and really mess with your mind. Tis the season to be jolly.
Yeah, exactly.
Because now you have your second colony you wanted.
It's like, what?
And just for anybody that don't know, I'd rather have this than making a split. Because splits, you don't know what you're getting and they're slow to take off. This, I was on my way back home when she called. I ran home, got a 8 frame medium because she runs 10 frame mediums. Should have thought and got 2 of them because this many bees, there's probably at least 5 pounds of bees here, will draw out 16 frames in less than a week. Let's just go right up under here and see what all we got up under here. Wait. Making everybody dizzy. Try it, lady, out of my hair. People are so scared of swarms. Love seeing the march. Somebody ain't happy. Oh, somebody's up there aggravating them. 2 somebodies. Never gets old either. Never gets old. Just think, guys, Ms. Lois is a second-year beekeeper, and she is so afraid of bees.
What face right in. Living proof you can't cure students.
No, if you could, they'd cured me and you a long time ago. Alright guys, I know you're tired of looking at just bees running in and out.
Yeah.